Volcano Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to an episode of Hot Stuff. So what we're going to be doing for you guys today is actually a local hot sauce from a cafe called Whole Hog Cafe. They have a few locations around the Arkansas area. We're eating from the one in Fort Smith. This right here is supposed to be insanely hot. It's actually made with a little bit of Dave's Inferno or Dave's Inferno? Dave's Inferno. This right here. And this looks like blood in a little container.
Yeah.
You know, we'll have a close up on it right here.
No, that's the Dave's Inferno.
And
Dave's Inferno. Yeah.
It boasts that it's hot enough to melt the wax off concrete.
So it's real hot.
Heck, yeah.
Real hot. So we got some sandwiches from them. Mine's pulled chicken, because I love chicken. Pulled pork right over here. And then Gunner's going to double fist 2 pork ones right there. Just straight on double fisting it. Good job.
Double fisted.
But we're going to take this one, which is already supposed to be real hot, which has some of this in it. But, you know, mixing sauces together cools down the temp of certain hot sauces. So, we're going to go ahead and start with this one. You can either put it over here, take a fork, do the chicken, or put it on the sandwich and just be as gross as you possibly can and eat it. You know, so that's what we're going to go ahead and do first.
Wow.
I'm going to drown it.
Unfortunately, you know, we can't say the ingredients because honestly, I don't know. All I know it's supposed to be hot, it's supposed to be tasty, so let's go ahead and get this going. So I'm going to do it like this right here.
10 of 10 would recommend. Some good stuff. Look at you sweating.
See, I've eaten their food before.
Yeah, for sure.
It was like a couple of years ago.
I've never gone.
I've had.
And they didn't have this second location when I ate there. They only had one location.
Get on there.
But it does look good.
Oh,
God
Alright.
bless. Share some of it.
I mean, Gunner, it's empty. What the fuck?
It's empty. Use it all.
hey.
So you want a little bit of pulled pork with that sauce, Gunner?
But we're going to go ahead and munch down.
Heck yeah.
So here we go.
Cheers.
This is how we roll, man.
Oh,
If it ain't
I'm
hot,
just-
we don't want it.
Exactly. So we're about to try it, see if it's hot. Here we go. Ready?
You eat with a fork. Smart.
Oh.
See that sandwich? Just begging for you to ruin it right now.
Grab its buns, Greg.
Grab its buns, that's right.
That is pretty hot.
PJ won't.
Yeah.
Don't
Pretty good.
shy away.
I enjoy it.
That is definitely really good, but it's definitely got a heat to it. Like my tongue is on fire right now. Mmm.
It's fast acting.
I will say it's not a long-lasting burn, but it definitely kicks up the intensity of the heat like that. As soon as you take a bite, you start feeling it, and then it starts dying down. So it's intense at the beginning, cool at the ending. Actually pretty neat, because I feel like I can definitely keep eating more and more and not regret it.
Yeah. Actually, it makes it taste better.
Exactly.
Not as spicy.
How about you, Gunner? I can tell you like it. I can really tell you like it.
Just a little bit.
So while Gunner's snacking on that, we're going to go ahead and start to move on to the blood in a little container thing. This is the Dave's Inferno sauce. It looks dangerous.
One of the components in our volcano sauce. Today. What? Yeah. There you go.
That's what I'm doing. I don't want to
I
pour
think
it.
you just try to put like one knife on there.
No, it's like
Yeah.
liquid, so I just don't
One
want to...
spot.
You better grow some hair on your
Sorry.
picture.
Okay, I was gonna say, it's like liquid, so I don't want to pour it everywhere.
Yeah, it's like liquid, but it's also
Okay, let me not make this mistake like last time. It's a unviscous liquid. Is that what I'm supposed to say, Gunner?
Well, viscous means it's like really
Dip it.
thick.
We're gonna try. Yeah, we're gonna try it with the hot one.
I didn't want to have anything fall in
I
there.
get you.
Ah!
And it still happened.
Shit.
Okay.
Alright,
Here we go. Ready? 3,
Cheers,
2,
guys.
1.
Warning, Dave's Insanity should only be added 1 drop at a time to a large meal. We are trained idiots who do not do their research. Enjoy.
Oh, damn. That's insanely more hot.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I wasn't expecting that.
That's insanely hot.
Wow.
I told you. Ah!
Dude. It's good. It's good.
Woo-hoo!
Bro, I was not expecting that.
Oh!
It's hot.
Oh my god.
I was not expecting
I
expecting
put a
that.
lot on this one too. Holy dude.
Woo! My uvula hurts. I gotta take a drink of water or something. Where's my tea? Oh. Oh.
Oh my god, dude.
It's burning my gums.
Hurts my throat.
That's hot.
It is.
Oh!
Are you sure they put that in there?
Probably not a lot
I
of it.
told you sauce kills it. Ah!
This is my level, dude.
It still burns. Oh my god, dude, this is gnarly. Okay, so I love this. They took this, added a little bit of the heat, and made it to where normal people could eat it and enjoy it. So definitely a round of applause for Whole Hog.
Dude, my throat's on fire.
Yeah, this is why they put it in this. But thank you, Whole Hog, for making something so just
Yeah.
damn delicious.
Yes.
Wow.
What do you think about this, Gunner? Good?
My throat hurts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot.
This is good. This is hot. What about you? This good. This hot?
The more I breathe, the worse it makes it.
Yeah. This is real hot. Stay away from it. I mean, unless you want to try it. It's called Dave's Inferno. Uh-oh. We got a puker.
No, but my throat hurts.
Uh-oh. See, it's super intense. But we're going to go ahead and snip back to where he is back. So we'll be back.
So days and for isn't for the week.
I'm pretty weak right now.
Dude.
Okay. Sorry about that brief intermission. Shit hurts.
Yeah, it's I'm still burned. And it's been at least 5 minutes.
This is for normal people and really good. Thank you. We're gonna go ahead and tune out because we're dying. But I would like to thank you guys for tuning in. If you like it, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of this and show us some love, show us that you're enjoying it. We greatly appreciate it.
For real, guys, for real.
Don't forget to leave a comment so you end up right here in the comment box. Right there. My gums are on fire.
Yeah.
And don't forget to click that notification bell so you always see when we post an episode of Hot Stop.
What that guy
Yes.
said.
You don't
Exactly.
miss an episode of Hot Stuff.
You guys take it easy.
And don't forget, the sauce is the boss. And you stay classy out there, San Diego.